Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Java programming language for beginners updated. Start by installing the JDK and configuring Java Home, then pick an editor like VS Code or IntelliJ. Create a Hello World program and run it from the terminal to confirm your setup. Practice compiling and executing, often while reading short tutorials and experimenting with small changes to build confidence and muscle memory. Build a strong foundation by focusing on core concepts like variables, control flow, objects, and methods. Spend time practicing if, for, while, and switch statements, and write small functions to solve problems. Experiment with classes, fields, and constructors, and learn basic exception handling to make your programs more reliable. Reinforce each concept with short, focused exercises that you can complete in under an hour. Practice consistently by solving small problems and building bite-sized projects that interest you. Start with challenges that reinforce loops and arrays, then move to projects like a calculator or a to-do list to combine concepts. Regularly read other people's code and try to fix bugs to deepen understanding. Track progress with a simple plan and celebrate milestones to stay motivated while learning Java.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.